Nice bit of landscaping here. Plenty of parking. I remember when it was being built. I just didn't know what it was going to be. First, I love true. I shouldn't say that because I'm not being paid to say that. But everything is 24 hours. This whole little setup right here, 24 hours. This is a business area. Like I said in other reviews, it's like a study group here, but most people carry their devices, so a printer is what they probably need. Okay, so you have to dispense your own yogurt. That's crazy. Everything is pre-dispensed. This is the hallway, very dorm-like. And I'm pushing my bag so you can see that the wheels roll on the carpet nicely. Okay, start here. I'm in a room here. One king bed. I love you got places to hang stuff. Because there's no real closet. There's the rod. So it's like a boutique hotel style. It's supposed to be their economy brand without making you feel like you're economy. So if you want luxury, then True is not going to be for you. I have a wonderful view of the other motel. All the motels here in Santee, they tend to be, not all of them, but there's a group that's in one spot here. So we shall set the shade on the setting sun. It's like a dorm feel. If you want a community feel, they encourage you to come downstairs and hang out in the lobby with everybody. I don't know. I stayed at one before and I'm like, okay, for a couple of days or one night, this is great. In all honesty, except for maybe the desk, there are a couple of resorts, Disney, Universal, the Surfside, Dockside, Disney All-Star Sports. When they redecorated, they swung right to this. I'm going to try to get some footage and put that in there. So, you're not being 100% cheated here. You got your amenities. Nobody's giving away the little things anymore. Everything is here. The hair dryer, so funny, they'll never give that up. The shower's nice and clean, but this is a new hotel. Plenty of hooks there. And no tub. I think if you want a tub, I'm not sure if they have tubs here. If you want a tub, I think you have to ask if they have a room with a tub. So if you've got kids, and you just like to take baths yourself. So let's see what we got for lights here. We have this one. Okay, and it's a dimmer light. We have a bedside light here. And then I have another bedside light here. Okay, so if two people were here, somebody would have the traditional night table, somebody would have this. Because it's supposed to be budget, there's no microwave here, but then there's no microwave in Disney's All-Star Sports either. And they have a real type dorm refrigerator, whereas Disney just has that bar refrigerator that doesn't seem to get extra cold. I'll test out the, I don't know if you can see them here. Is there another light over here? Yeah, there is. We'll test this out, see if they work. Hotels are notorious for those not working. One night, won't be here long. I probably won't even be here until checkout. This is good enough for me. I left out a light. I love it when the lights work. I do wish they were a little bit of the warm variety rather than the climate control there. You see, that's a warmer light. The bathroom has a nice warmer light unless it adjusts. Doesn't say. Okay. A cool light here, a warm light for your makeup. It's interesting, you have to use mixed to get your right color balance. Yeah, it's the only thing I would like would be warmer lights. Okay, this goes here. How did I turn these on? Oh, this one was here. Okay. Anybody else have that problem in hotels? How do you turn the lights on? Okay. Okay, I'm raving about this hotel and room. One demerit. Platform bed. Hold on, let me put the light on. Platform bed. You can't store your luggage. So you really aren't supposed to stay here for a while. Put local information here. And this is the pool. The water's a little low. I think it's draining. Maybe something happened. She just told me that the pool closes at a certain time, so maybe she doesn't know that the water is really low. So I'll tell her. But other than that, it would have been very nice. Cool. To sit and dip and yay. Okay. Then they said the guest laundry is down here. Let's see. Oh, here it is. 24 hours. Ooh, it was a heavy door. Okay, it's hot in here. Ketchup, coffee, red wine, wash, dry, fold, wear, repeat. There you go. Sort today, wash tomorrow, fold never. That's so true. Party hard. I fold. Fitness room. Okay, fitness room here. 2 treadmills, elliptical, exercise bike, your machines, kettlebells, weight balls, and free weights. I think water's supposed to be here. They're probably replacing it, yeah. Oh, wait. Something is missing. I think the water goes here, the towels go in here. Okay. Oh. Oh, and the disc over there. Okay, cool. And one of those core thingies. Okay. Nice. You get the buckets here and you bring it back to your room. And bottle of water refiller bowl thingy. Hangout area. Kind of nice. And this is the social area. You can play pool. There was one at the other True that I was at too. And it tells me where I'm at.